Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So as you can see, probably, I'm missing something on my face, and that of course aren't fake lashes. I'm just not in the mood for them today, but I'm always in the mood to glow. So I'm pretty matte at the moment and I'm missing some highlight, and I'm really excited for this part. Today I got a new highlighter and it's a very cheap one. My favorite highlighter, by the way, is this one. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit, and my favorite shade is this one. It's the shade Summer. This is a very pricey palette and I use just one shade. It costs around $30, and as you can see, I didn't even make a dent in the other shades. Well, this one a little bit, but it's not the greatest for my skin tone. And I'm almost out of my favorite shade. So I decided to go to the drugstore and find a single highlighter that would work with my skin tone and maybe even be a dupe for this one. So I got, wait for it, the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder, and I'm really excited. It looks so beautiful in the pan, and this shade is beautiful. It does look a little bit dark as I'm looking at it at the moment, but we're going to see that. I'm going to swatch them next to each other and then I'm going to test them out on the face. So this one actually costs around $5, which is a big price difference. So if you're excited to see that, stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so it's time to do the swatches, and I'm going to do a close-up for this part. So the first highlighter I'm swatching is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Deep Glow Kit, and this is the shade Summer. The next one is also Anastasia. You probably cannot see the glow that much. It's diffused by light. And now it's time for the Wet n Wild highlighter. So this is what it looks like. This is the back. And now for the fun part. This is the shade Precious Petal. And the Wet n Wild highlighter wasn't easy to open, but it looks super beautiful. It's very reflective, and now I'm going to swatch it next to the two lightest shades from the Glow Kit. Wow, it's definitely as reflective as the Anastasia highlighters, but it is a little bit darker, so yeah, it's not necessarily a dupe for my favorite shade. Okay, so I'm going to compare it to a darker shade in the palette. Yeah, I believe it's closer to this one than the first two. But the shade is really nice. Okay, so I did my little swatches and now it's time to test these out on the face. As you probably noticed, the Wet n Wild highlighter is a little bit darker, but the summer is near, so I think this shade will be perfect for the summer. So I don't think I've necessarily made a big mistake. So yeah, let's test it out and see. Okay, so let me show you the result. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills side. And this is the Wet n Wild side. Okay, so what are my final thoughts? As you can probably tell, the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter is a little bit more blinding, but it's not really because it's any better than the Wet n Wild highlighter. It's just that the Wet n Wild highlighter is a little bit dark for me at the moment. This one is much lighter, and I think I have to get a little bit more of a tan before I can wear the Wet n Wild one, but that is going to happen very soon since the summer is coming and I'm really excited about it, and I'm going to be able to use it very much in the summer. So yeah, for $5 this is definitely a steal, and yeah, I highly recommend it. It's very smooth. It's very smooth and very buttery. As you can see, it's very metallic. I already did some close-up swatches, but let me do some more. So this is the Anastasia one, and this is the Wet n Wild one. It's not far behind. It's no less metallic than the Anastasia one. One could argue it's even more metallic, but it is dark. So if you're going to get it, get a lighter shade if you have a complexion like me. So yeah, that concludes this video. If you like it, leave it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post videos twice a week and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!